Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cardano climbs 10% in rally. Investing.com Cardano was trading at $0.5203 by 1656 LT 56 GMT on the Investing.com index on Tuesday, up 10.05% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since June 15. The move upwards pushed Cardano's market cap up to 17.2550 SB or 1.64% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its height, Cardano's market cap was 94.8 thousand $1B. Cardano had traded in a range of $0.4737 to $0.5204 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Cardano has seen a recession value as the gained 19.37%. The volume of Cardano traded in the 24 hours to time of rating was $1.5231 or 1.39% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $0.4044 to $0.5204 in the past 7 days. At its current price, Cardano is still down 83.21% from its all-time high of $3.10 set on September 2, 2022. Elsewhere in the cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was less at 23,262.4 on the Investing.com index, up 8.27% on the day. Ethereum was trading at 555.99 on the Investing.com index, a gain of 5.67%. Bitcoin market cap was less at $443,284 or 42.007% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $189.0523 or 17.1993% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Cardano climbs 10% in rally. Investing.com Cardano was trading at $0.5203 by 1656 LT 56 GMT on the Investing.com index on Tuesday, up 10.05% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since June 15. The move upward pushed Cardano's market cap up to $17.2550 SB or 1.64% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Cardano's market cap was $94.8001. Cardano had traded in a range of $0.4737 to $0.5204 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Cardano has seen a rising value.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.